have a look on what I have made, which is going to help you get viral really quick. Quiz time, what is the square root of 169? A, 11, B, 13, C, 17, and the correct answer is B, 13. Comment if you guessed it correct, like and subscribe for more. Okay, so let's start with ChatGPT, asking it for some quiz questions. The prompt I have used will be given in my description. Okay, so now let's head over to the Canva and start the procedure of making the quiz videos. Now create a new design of mobile design size. Now find a perfect background for your quiz video. And also apply it as background for this page. Okay, so now add to your first text, heading and name it Quiz Time. By the way, this first one is option. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you are free to do without it. And next adjust the text's font, size and color and effect, so that we can see it is clear in the background. Effect are important. Next, duplicate the text and place one simply below it and name it. Question. You can put your quiz question in there. Next again, duplicate the text 4 times and place it right below, and its alignment should be left to right. I will do it, you can see. Name the first one as answer 1, second one as answer 2, third one as answer 3. And now the fourth one, place it below the third one, but in sender, and change its color to green. So now let's come to the step of adjusting the time of all texts. Okay, so you need to make the quiz time and question text start from start to end. But for the answer 1, 2, and 3, you need to take a space of 3 seconds. So put them at 3 seconds of the playback. And the answer should appear 5 seconds after the options appear. So on 8th second of clip, we need to add a clock timer for this 5-second space. So let's get it and place it and adjust its timing. So now search for some sounds effects for the clock. I am searching for clock ticking sound. You can also add effects to the texts appearing. You can also add background sound you love for it, as I have added and show you in start. We need to adjust its timing as well. We are now heading to our almost final step, which is to take one quiz from the ChatGPT and paste it on our page accordingly. This video is basically on how to make quiz video. I will post my next video on this topic, that how to bulk create using the same page. So you can subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get notified when I will upload it. So now I'm going to delete all things on this page to save this template with sound effect and then download it, which I will be using in bulk create video. Okay, so now all you need to do is that delete all things and then export the video, then press Ctrl and Z to undo the delete, and I will tell you in my next video that how to use it. By the way, give animation to clock graphic too. So now head over to the 11 Labs website to add voiceover to the video. And let's make a certain voice text that will be perfect for YouTube video and TikTok video. And then click Generate like I did and then upload it on Canva and add it to the video and adjust the clip time according to the voice duration, so it's 15 seconds. So I am going to extend it to 15 seconds. Okay, now you can export this video. Now I am playing again the video in full screen. You can have look on it at how it looks. Quiz time, what is the square root of 169? A, 11, B, 13, C, 17, and the correct answer is B, 13. Comment if you guessed it correct, like and subscribe for more.